Our first car for the day is this 2023 VW Polo GTI, which is going for 483,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So I'm looking to pay 9,047 per month. It has 40,000 kilometers on the clock. This GTI is a 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 147 kilowatts of power and 320 newton meters of torque. You are getting a 6-speed automatic transmission and top speed of 240 kilometers per hour. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 6.5 seconds. You're also getting a fuel consumption of 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. According to the director report, this car it is roadworthy. So this car has no dent, has no scratches. The color it is still white. Everything on this car it is okay, man. Even the rims, they don't have any scratches. Tires are still okay. All the windows are tinted. So when it comes to the interior, you have your multifunction steering wheel, your leather seats, your 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, your automatic gear there. The interior it is quite beautiful and clean. Even the car it is clean. Yeah, man, that's it about the GTI. It is beautiful, man.